Hi, welcome to GarageDoorWeatherSeal.com. Here's a quick video to give you a closer look at one of our PVC retainers. This is a 1 3/8 across the bottom, 1 1/2 here. That's what it looks like on the bottom. It's designed to accept our 1/4 inch wide T-style U-shaped weather seal. Very simple to install. You can drill through here or into the back, and you can mount it from the inside of the door, which this leg is standard procedure to mount on the inside of the door, or you can mount it up through the bottom, or a combination of both, which is what we do. We use these to install some of our specialty seals, such as Super Seal, and you can check that out. It's a heavy-duty seal, so you want a retainer that's got a good grip on the bottom of the door. So once it's installed, it's just basically a matter of matching the right weather seal, and the 1/4 inch T is by far the most common weather seal out there, size-wise, and this particular one is a 4 inch wide vinyl seal. We have this in 3 inch, 6 inch, rubber, different specialty seals. Like I said, we've got a rodent-proof type seal, a Super Seal, rubber seal being a little bit better than vinyl, but the vinyl's good stuff. So you can take a retainer and a weather seal and adapt them around to do a lot of different things. This retainer can be mounted vertically as well, or horizontally on a door, a window, a sliding gate, a sliding grill, this, that, or the other. These retainers will help you get weather seal onto whatever it is you need to seal up. Thanks.